Best new meme coins to invest. Notcoin, $NOT, uses tap-to-earn mechanics, blending gaming and Web3 innovation to drive user engagement and ecosystem growth. AI Companions, $AIC, revolutionizes virtual relationships, combining AI, VR/AR, and blockchain for personalized digital experiences. Ponk, $Ponk, thrives on Solana's efficiency, catering to traders and gamers with community-driven features and utility. Looking for the new meme coins of December 2024? Notcoin, AI Companions, and Ponk stand out with unique use cases, innovative tech, and strong community backing. These altcoins blend gaming, AI, and blockchain to redefine digital experiences. Notcoin, NOT, growth potential. Current price, $0.006311. Market cap, $646.17 million. Notcoin is gaining momentum as a promising altcoin, to its viral origins and innovative approach. Initially a Telegram game, Notcoin utilizes a tap-to-earn mining mechanic to attract users to Web3. The $NOT token incentivizes users to explore Web3 products, participate in games, contribute to the ecosystem, and support new Web3 projects through campaigns. Its strong community backing and unique features make it a notable player in the altcoin space. AI Companions, $AIC, introduces customizable virtual relationships. Current price, 11 cents. Market cap, $82.43 million. AI Companions, $AIC, is leading the development of interactive digital relationships through a platform that integrates AI, virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and blockchain. Designed to cater to individual preferences, the platform offers immersive virtual companions that adapt and evolve with users over time. The initiative leverages blockchain to support its native token, $AIC, which serves as the backbone of its ecosystem. With a growing market demand for personalized digital experiences, AI Companions positions itself as a key player in this emerging sector. The platform's ability to blend advanced technologies aligns with the broader trend of integrating digital tools into everyday life. Ponk, launches on Solana Network with focus on traders and gamers. Current price, $0.3328. Market cap, $184.46 million. Ponk has launched as a digital asset built on the Solana blockchain, a platform known for its efficiency and low transaction costs. The token offers a fixed supply of 555 million, aimed at supporting online traders and gaming enthusiasts with seamless utility and functionality. Ponk's accessibility is enhanced through its availability on major cryptocurrency exchanges. The token's community-driven initiatives include unique features such as the helmet tool for users and active social media engagement. These efforts have cultivated a strong and interactive community, bolstering Ponk's appeal in the digital asset market.